In 1950, the mathematician Alan Turing asked a terrifying question: can machines think? For 75 years, we thought the answer was maybe. But in 2025, the question has changed. We aren't asking if they can think. We are asking if they can teach. This week, I am surrendering my free will. I'm handing over my entire language learning schedule to artificial intelligence. No textbooks, no human tutors, no Duolingo birds. For the next 7 days, an AI algorithm will decide what I learn, when I learn it, and how I speak. The goal: to answer one question for every student watching. Is the classroom obsolete? Can a machine replace the human instinct for language, or will I end up speaking like a robot? Welcome to the experiment. This is AmpLift 7.
Before we let the AI take the wheel, we need scientific data. In linguistics, we measure fluency using the CEFR scale, the Common European Framework of Reference. My target language is Spanish. I studied it years ago in school, which implies I remember absolutely nothing. To prove this, I took a standardized A2 level mock exam this morning. The results were humbling. I scored 42%. I can order a coffee, but I cannot ask where to buy the coffee without sounding like a toddler. My grammar is non-existent, and my vocabulary is stuck in 2015. This is our baseline. From this moment on, I am not allowed to make any decisions. The AI is the headmaster.
I asked the AI to build a curriculum based on Pareto Efficiency, the economic principle that 80% of results come from 20% of the effort. In language learning, this means focusing on the 1,000 most frequently used words first. Day 1 and 2 were brutal but efficient. The AI didn't teach me random topics like zoo animals or colors. It forced me to drill connector words like however, therefore, and although. It was using a digital version of the spaced repetition system, a technique pioneered by Hermann Ebbinghaus in 1885. The AI tracked exactly when I was about to forget a word and forced me to use it right then. It felt less like studying and more like downloading data directly into my brain. By day 3, my vocabulary had doubled. But there was a problem brewing. By the middle of the week, I could construct perfect sentences. Syntactically, I was flawless, but linguistically, I was a disaster. I tried to use my new Spanish on a gaming server. I typed a sentence the AI taught me. "Greetings, friend. May I acquire the location of the objective?" They kicked me out of the lobby. Why? Because language isn't just syntax, it's pragmatics. The AI was teaching me to speak like a textbook from 1990. It lacked slang, contraction, and soul. I realized that while AI has read the entire internet, it has never actually lived in the world. It knows the definition of cool, but it doesn't know how to be cool. To fix the robot problem, I switched to the AI's advanced voice mode for the final stretch. I instructed it, stop acting like a professor, act like a 25-year-old from Madrid. This is where the technology terrified me. The latency, the delay between me speaking and the AI responding, was under 300 milliseconds. That is faster than the human brain processes some thoughts. For 3 days, I spoke to nobody but the machine. It corrected my accent in real time. If I rolled my R's too softly, it stopped me. It was relentless. Unlike a human tutor, who might be polite and let mistakes slide to be nice, the AI had zero empathy. It demanded perfection. By day 7, I was exhausted, dreaming in Spanish code. I was ready for the final boss.
The experiment ends here. I booked a 30-minute session with Maria,
a native Spanish tutor from Valencia. She had no idea I had been trained by a machine. I started speaking. I used the complex subjunctive structures the AI drilled into me. Maria's reaction? She was impressed, but also confused. There it was, the verdict. The AI had successfully taught me the logic of the language. I passed the information transfer test, but I failed the emotional test. Maria spent the next 20 minutes unteaching me the rigid structures the AI had forced on me, showing me how to relax the vowels and shorten the phrases.
So, is this the end of traditional learning? Here is the data. Cost. The AI cost me $0. A human tutor costs $30 an hour. Grammar. The AI was 100% accurate. Humans make mistakes. Naturalness. The AI failed. The human won. My conclusion is this. AI is the greatest textbook ever invented. It can replace the drill sergeant, the vocabulary list, and the grammar exam. But language is not just code, it is connection. You can use AI to build the car, but you still need a human to teach you how to drive it. Don't fear the machine. Use it. But don't forget to talk to people, because an algorithm can predict your next word, but only a human can understand your silence. If you want to survive the future of education, you need to stay updated. We break down the intersection of literature, language, and technology every single week. Click that subscribe button on Amplif 7 right now, and I'll see you in the next class.